Hello, I welcome you all to this another interesting screencast, and the problem reads: if F is equal to 200 pounds, determine the resultant couple moment. In the second case, determine the required magnitude of force F if the resultant couple moment on the frame is equal to 200 pounds-feet clockwise. Both these problems are coming from the Engineering Mechanics Statics textbook, 13th edition by R.C. Hibbeler. Right, first things first. Let's write down the components of each of these particular couple moments so that we can have them in this coordinate system. Okay, we're going to use this coordinate system. Okay, all right, where we have x, then this is y. Right, great. Let's start with this one. This one will have a component in that direction. It will have a component in that direction, like so, and another one down, like so. This one will have a component like so in that direction, and another one in that direction, like so. And then this other one, it will have a component in this direction like so, and another one in this direction like so. Another one, it will have a component in this direction. Let me share this space here. I want them to face in the same. Of course, I could have written them the other way around, but I prefer them this way. And we're going to have this other component in this direction, and this other one in this direction, like so. Great. So we have all the components. Let's label them. So this is going to be equal to 150 cos 30. Okay, 30 degrees. This one is 150 sine 30. Sine 30 is 0.5 or half, therefore this is equal to 75. You can write this directly, 75 pounds. This one is going to be equal to F times the rise, which is a 4/5. Okay, which is therefore going to be just equal to 4/5 F, right? And this one is just going to be equal to F times the run, which is a 3/5, and therefore this is just going to be equal to, it's going to be equal to 3/5 F. Okay, and then this one is going to be equal to, this one will be equal to F times the run, which is a 3/5. Then this eventually will be equal to 3/5 F. And then this one, okay, is going to be equal to F times the rise, which is a 4/5, which is going to be equal to 4/5 times F. And then this one is going to be equal to 150 cos 30, and then this one will be equal to 150 sine 30, which is equal to 75. All right, we are done. So now again we can work out this using a lot of different methods. For me, I'm going to solve this just by summing up the couple moments. So let me write down as my first case 479. This is my case 1. So I'll say summation of couple moment anti-clockwise being my reference. This is going to be equal to, we want the resultant, so which is going to be equal to the resultant couple moment, and therefore this is equal to, let's now work out the couples. We have this couple, we are able to see them, 150 sine 30, and this 150 sine 30 is creating a couple. So we have a clockwise, which is a negative 75, right? Negative 75 times the lever arm, which is a 4, right? Are you able to see a 4? 2 plus 2. We have dealt with one couple. Then for the vertical, then the horizontal of this 150, horizontal, it will have also a couple. Horizontal, it will have a couple, which is also clockwise. It's also clockwise, and it is negative 150 cos 30. Okay, it's also negative. Let me write it properly. It's also negative. It's 150 cos 30 by the lever arm. Once the lever arm is also 4. Okay, great. So we are done with this one. Let's go to this F. F, it has the 4/5 is positive and clockwise. So we have 4/5 F, 4/5 F times the lever arm. As the lever arm doing the 2 is a 2, right? And this other one, it is also positive, so it will be plus 3/5 F, okay, times the lever arm. Once the lever arm, it is a 2. Oh, great. So let's work out this. Therefore, our resultant moment is just going to be equal to, we've been told that F is equal to 200 pounds. So we are going to replace F. We'll replace F here. We are going to replace F here. We also replace F there, 200. Once we've done so, then we'll have a minus 75 by 4, minus 150 cos 30 by 4, plus 4/5 times 200 times 2, plus 3/5 times 200 by 2. So we get a negative, 259.62 pounds feet. This can also be written as 259.62 pounds feet, and this one is clockwise. It is clockwise, so it is in this direction like that. So we can also write it like so. But let me go through again. So 4/5 by 200 by 2, plus 3 over 5 by 200 by 2 minus 75 by 4 minus 150 cos 30 by 4, 259.62. Great. So this is the resultant couple moment. This is the resultant couple moment for case number 1. Okay. So let's go to case number 2. Case number 2, which is 4-80. What is the question? We've been asked to determine the force if the resultant couple on the frame is 200 pounds-feet and is clockwise. Alright, so we have been asked, so the same equation will suffice. So let me just get the same equation. I copy it here. The same equation will suffice. So let me just delete this part. I get rid of this part. Okay. But here they've given us the resultant. The resultant couple moment is equal to negative 200 pounds-feet. So this will be equal to negative 200 pounds-feet. So if this is the case, then we can make F subject to the formula. Okay, we can make F subject to the formula. Great. So let's do so. So we have minus 75 by 4 minus 150 cos 30 by 4. Okay, they will go the other side, so they'll be positive. So 75 by 4 plus 150 cos 30 by 4, and then minus 200. Then we divide by 4 over 5 by 2 plus 3 over 5 by 2. So we find a 221.29 pounds. So let me check it once more again. 4 over 5 by 2 plus 3 over 5 by 2, and I will have a minus 200 plus 75 by 4 plus 150 cos 30 by 4 divided by 221.29. Great. So this is the value of F required given the resultant couple moment on the frame of 200 pounds-feet. Alright, I think this is about it. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, give me a thumbs up, like my video, continue subscribing and liking my channel. Bye bye, and see you in my next screencast.